How to use Spirit Airlines Points. Hi everyone, welcome again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use Spirit Airlines Points. Now, points what you gain when you use the Spirit Airlines site or the Spirit Airlines company for flights over and over again. And these points can be used as a replacement of money you pay for flights. Okay, now how can you know if you have points? You can know this by going to the top right corner of the screen and then by clicking on your profile image. Once you click on your profile image, a box will be displayed. In this box you'll see the logo of Spirit Airlines, and then under it you'll see the points. Okay, PTS means points, and then you see the number of points that you have. When you see this number of points that you have, if it's very much and then you want to use it, the next thing for you to do is to book a flight. Okay, because that's what Spirit Airlines is all about. And then you have to select where you're coming from and then where you are heading to. Once you've selected this, click on search flight. Okay, and then once it searches the flights, it will show you site flights that are available. Now on this page you would see the option show fares. All right, show fares. All right, now currently it's in dollars. Now if you want to use your points, all you need to do is to click on show fares in points, and then you can also click on points plus cash. If your points is not enough, you just click on show fares in points, and then you'll see the number of points that you need for you to be able to board this flight. And then if you have that number of points, click on the site, click on the flights available, select the flight available, and then eventually while booking at the payment stage, you'll be asked to make payment. Okay, so for you to make payment, since you want to use your points, you just select the option use points as a means of payment. All right, and then once you click on use point, the points will be deducted of the number of points you have on your account and will be used to pay for the flight instead of the money in your account. I hope that is clear. Okay, so this is basically how you can use points on Spirit Airlines. Very cool, right? Go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.